Welcome to the world of online content creation, where millions of artists compete. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram have become essential tools. However, beneath the surface, a complex system of algorithms and rules governs. Creators must navigate these hidden systems to succeed, but at what cost? The pressure to constantly produce content can lead to burnout and exhaustion. Many creators feel forced to compromise their values and artistic vision. The pursuit of online fame and fortune has become a high-stakes game. Platforms use algorithms to prioritize content, often favoring sensationalism over substance. This creates a culture of competition, where creators feel pitted against each other. The constant need for attention and engagement can be overwhelming and stressful. Creators must also contend with ever-changing monetization rules and policies. These rules often seem designed to benefit the platform, rather than the creator. For example, YouTube's algorithm prioritizes videos with high engagement and watch time. This can lead to a situation where creators feel forced to produce clickbait titles. The consequences of this system can be severe, with many creators experiencing anxiety and depression. The line between authenticity and manipulation can become blurred. Creators may feel pressured to present a perfect online persona rather than their true selves. This can lead to a sense of disconnection and isolation, despite having a large online following. The platforms themselves often seem more interested in profit than in supporting their creators. This has led to a growing sense of distrust and discontent among the creative community. Some creators have even begun to speak out against the platforms, citing unfair treatment. Others have chosen to leave the platforms altogether, seeking alternative ways to connect with their audience. However, for many creators, the platforms remain an essential part of their business model. This has created a sense of unease and uncertainty, as creators struggle to navigate the ever-changing landscape. The future of online content creation remains uncertain, with many questions still unanswered. What does the future hold for creators and platforms, and how will they evolve and adapt? Will the pursuit of profit and attention continue to dominate the online landscape? Or will a new era of cooperation and mutual support emerge, prioritizing people over profit? The answers to these questions remain unclear, but one thing is certain: the creator conundrum is here to stay. Platforms will continue to shape and influence the creative industry, for better or worse. As we move forward, it's essential to consider the human cost of these systems and the impact on creators. By understanding the hidden mechanics of these platforms, we can begin to build a more sustainable and equitable future. For now, the creator conundrum remains a pressing issue, with far-reaching consequences for artists and audiences alike. The battle for attention and profit will continue, with creators caught in the middle. Ultimately, it's up to us to decide what kind of online landscape we want to create and support. Do we prioritize profit and attention, or do we choose to value authenticity and creativity? The choice is ours, and the future of the creative industry hangs in the balance. The creator conundrum is a complex issue, with no easy solutions or answers. However, by working together and supporting one another, we can create a more just and sustainable system. This will require a fundamental shift in how we think about online content creation and the platforms that support it. It will also require a willingness to challenge the status quo and push for change. But for now, the creator conundrum remains a pressing issue, one that demands our attention and action. We must consider the human cost of these systems and the impact on creators and audiences alike. By doing so, we can begin to build a more equitable and sustainable future for all. The future of online content creation is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the creator conundrum is here to stay. We must navigate this complex landscape with care and consideration, prioritizing people over profit. Only then can we create a truly sustainable and supportive ecosystem for creators and audiences alike. The creator conundrum is a challenge, but it's also an opportunity for growth and change. Let's work together to build a better future for online content creation, one that values authenticity and creativity. We owe it to ourselves, our audiences, and the future of the creative industry to take action and make a difference. The time to act is now, and the choice is ours. We can create a more just and sustainable system, one that prioritizes people over profit and values creativity and authenticity. Join us as we explore the creator conundrum and work towards a brighter future for all. The journey ahead will be challenging, but together, we can make a difference and create a more equitable and sustainable online landscape. We'll examine the hidden systems and mechanics that shape the creative industry and explore ways to build a better future. From the impact of algorithms on content creation to the human cost of the pursuit of attention and profit, we'll delve into the complex issues surrounding the creator conundrum. Our goal is to provide a deeper understanding of the challenges facing creators and audiences alike, and to inspire positive change and growth. By working together and supporting one another, we can create a more just and sustainable system, one that values authenticity and creativity. The creator conundrum is a complex issue, but together, we can find solutions and build a brighter future for all. We'll continue to explore the intersection of technology, creativity, and humanity, and examine the ways in which platforms shape and influence the creative industry. Our mission is to provide insightful and informative content, and to inspire positive change and growth in the creative community. Join us on this journey, and let's work together to build a more equitable and sustainable future for online content creation. We're committed to providing high-quality content that informs, inspires, and empowers creators and audiences alike. Our goal is to create a community that values authenticity, creativity, and mutual support, and to provide a platform for creators to share their stories and connect with their audiences. We believe that by working together, we can create a more just and sustainable system, one that prioritizes people over profit and values creativity and authenticity. Let's work together to build a brighter future for online content creation, and to create a more equitable and sustainable online landscape for all. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.